Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Settings and Act. First, set screen timeout to 15-30 seconds and lower brightness to about 30% so the display uses far less power. Once done, enable dark mode and turn on battery saver thresholds. This reduces animations and background wake. Make sure to force stop or restrict background activity for rarely used third-party apps. Don't waste time on deep tweaks yet. These immediate changes already cut a significant portion of screen and app drain. Now dig into system-level fixes. Open battery usage and identify the top 3 drainers. Restrict their background activity or uninstall if non-essential. Next, toggle off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS when you're not using them, and switch to airplane mode if cellular signal is poor, because searching for towers kills batteries fast. Change display refresh rate to 60 Hz or adaptive, and prefer 4 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce radio power. Finally, limit sync frequency for email and social apps to save steady background pulls. Finish by updating your system and apps. Updates often include power optimizations. Run device care to optimize and clear cached memory, then enable adaptive battery and put seldom used apps into sleep or deep sleep so they stay idle. For persistent drain, reboot and check behavior. If an app still misbehaves, boot to safe mode to isolate it. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up. If that fails, contact support, but test reboot and safe mode first to avoid unnecessary resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.